The son-in-law also rises. Today, President-elect Trump named his only son-in-law, Jared Kushner, to be a senior White House advisor. He'll focus on trade negotiations and the Middle East. Kushner does not need Senate confirmation, but questions might be raised about whether a federal anti-nepotism law applies to him. We have more now from Jan Crawford.
Jared is a very successful real estate person, but I actually think he likes politics more than he likes real estate. I'm going to tell you. And he's very good at politics. So.
Throughout the campaign, Jared Kushner was one of Mr. Trump's most trusted confidants.
Jared is a great guy.
The Harvard-educated Kushner is credited with expanding the campaign's highly effective digital operation and supporting the selection of Vice President-elect Mike Pence. During the transition, when Mr. Trump sat down with President Obama, Kushner talked in the Rose Garden with White House Chief of Staff Dennis McDonough. His move to the West Wing may be complicated by an anti-nepotism law Congress passed in 1967 after President John F. Kennedy appointed his brother Robert to a cabinet-level position as Attorney General. But when President Clinton put his wife in charge of his health care task force, a D.C. federal appeals court judge ruled the law did not apply to White House staff jobs. Trump advisor Kellyanne Conway.
This came about to stop maybe family members serving on the cabinet.
Right.
But the president does have discretion to choose a staff of his liking.
The 35-year-old real estate mogul assumed the reins of his family business in 2008 and married Ivanka Trump a year later. They have 3 children. Notoriously camera shy, one of the few times we've heard from him comes from his wife's Instagram account.
I always tell Ivanka, don't worry about the things you can't control. Just worry about how you react to and deal with the circumstances and situations at hand.
Now, the anti-nepotism law rarely has been tested. If someone were to sue, it appears the penalty would be to lose a government salary. But Scott, the transition team announced Kushner would not be taking a salary, and he also will divest many of his assets.
And Kushner turns 36 tomorrow. Jan Crawford, thanks very much.